Flying insects in general are more of a symptom of an underlying cause. So there are many, many species of fly. You have house flies, drain flies, flesh flies, fruit flies are the main ones, and there are thousands of other species. And each one is going to have a different source that needs to be addressed. If you're seeing fruit flies outside of your home, depending on where you are in the country or the world, if you have fruit trees, then you want to get rid of any fruit that's already on the ground decomposing. If you have garbage storage outside, you want to make sure that your lids are tightly shut. And if you do have any produce in those lids, make sure that bags are actually tightly tied shut or that the lid is sealed properly. These are areas where you'll see fruit flies outside. House flies outside, it's usually related to trash or animal waste. So take a good look outside of your home at your trash storage. Again, make sure that you have tightly fitting lids on any of your trash containers. If you have pets, make sure that you've scanned thoroughly for any of their waste and dispose of it. These are both things that will attract house flies to your home. If you find the larger flesh flies, which look like a house fly but on steroids, they're about 2 or 3 times the size. These are usually an indication of something dead nearby. Follow your nose and see if you can find bad smells, or hire a professional to do so for you if you don't want to. But if you're seeing these larger flies somewhere near your home, it's usually an indication that something has died. If you see drain flies, which they look like fruit flies, but they have wide, fuzzy wings, these are usually an indication of a plumbing issue. If you're seeing them outside of your home, look carefully at any storm drains, drainage, or runoff that you may have. And look as well at standing water. These are areas where usually you'll find these flies, and they're usually an indication of a plumbing issue that's going to require a plumber or at least some thorough cleaning of a plumbing area.